We're back. We're back.
Welcome back to the channel. Today is September the 12th, 2025, and we are in Huber Heights at the BUC-EE'S construction site.
We're standing at what will be the entrance from State Route 235 to the BUC-EE'S. We took a week off last week. We had some things to do. So that's been about the first week we've missed bringing an update in a long time. So we're down here today. It's a beautiful day. A little warmer today than it was 2 weeks ago. Still a nice day, perfect blue sky and sun. You notice that the stars have been installed on all three sides of the building now. The front of the building, they've got some of the bricks installed, which I think you might be able to see just over Sonia's shoulder there. Scaffolding in place to put the bricks on the other side of the front of the building. The front facade looks like it's prepped, almost ready for that BUC-ee sign. The roof nearly complete. A lot of equipment is sitting in the front parking lot that used to be located in the north parking lot. So I would guess that it won't be too long before they'll be lifting that up to the roof. Both the north and south fuel pump islands have had the concrete poured. State Route 235, where we're standing right now at the entrance to BUC-EE'S, looks like another layer of asphalt's been put down. Not quite sure if this is the finished coat or if there's one more to go, but
it looks like there might be one more out there.
I'd say probably one more, but it's definitely smoother than it was 2 weeks ago. Standing here at the entrance to the BUC-EE'S, you can see some straws being laid out here in the dirt at the front of the property. I'm guessing they may have planted some grass seed down in through here. We'll take a walk down this entrance ramp to the BUC-EE'S, kind of show you what's new from a couple weeks ago. You look straight ahead, you can see the main entrance to the BUC-EE'S, and that facade looks like it's just about ready for the sign to be installed.
The pillars underneath that sign look like they're getting them ready so they can put some of that brick on it also.
Yep, I see that.
They're covering up the metal structure.
Over to the right of the entrance, you can see the bricks have been put in place for the front of the store, and the scaffolding is up on the other side of the front. So probably next week we'll see the brickwork done there. You can also see the equipment that's going to go up on the roof sitting in the front parking lot. We're standing in the middle of what will be State Route 235, and you can see, looking straight ahead, that'll be the exit ramp coming from I-70. You come down 235 here, and you can see the dedicated entrance to the store. Take you right down there into the front of the BUC-EE'S. Or you can go straight. You go straight up north towards New Carlisle, there'll be another entrance to the Buc-ee's up there by the red light. I think that's going to do it for today. If you liked the video, please give us a thumbs up. And also, we learned there's a new feature on YouTube now. It's called Hype. Totally free for you guys, but in the first 7 days of the video, you can give our video what they call hype points. It'll help get the video pushed out to more people. So if you guys could do that, we'd appreciate it. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss any of these Buc-ee's construction update videos. As always, thanks for watching.
We'll see you down the road.
Bye for now.
Bye.
Here's a look at the retail store. You can see where the bricks have been added to the right side of the front of the building. Scaffolding's in place on the left side to start the brickwork. Here you can see on the south side of the building, they're getting ready to pour the sidewalk next to the store. This is a look at the south fuel pump islands. You can see that the concrete has been poured in this area. Here's the north fuel pump island area. The concrete's been poured here as well. Here you can see some of the equipment that has been moved from the north parking lot to the front parking lot. Looks like they're getting ready to install this equipment on the roof. There's some electrical work going on right off of Center Point Boulevard, across from what will be the north entrance to the BUC-EE'S. Here's a look at the north entrance to the BUC-EE'S, as well as State Route 235, where you can see some of the road improvements that have taken place so far. This is the exit ramp from I-70 West to State Route 235. You can see the improvements that have been made here. The exit ramp is still not yet open.